Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today I am just currently fixing up a new pair of tongs that I made, and I'm going to be taking this 1.5" H13 tool steel and I'm going to be forging it into a hammer eye drift for under the power hammer. Let's finish off the tongs, throw this in the forge, and get pounding away on it. Flipping the billet around and started to square off the other side just so that I had something holding the tongs as well as work. So, continue on that. Go ahead, round it over and thin it down a little bit, do a little bit more touch-up work on the anvil, and then gonna start grinding it down. Keep forging on it, keep rounding it out, and see how much we can get done. I'm just going through right now, trying to straighten everything out. Are roughly beveled. Mainly just trying to center it as of right now because the rest of this will be grinding in afterwards. There we go, so that concludes the forging processes of it, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off with a grinder and start grinding down into a nice hammer eye drift. And I gotta say, this turned out really well. I'm looking forward to using this a lot. Another good thing about this guy being shorter and being made for the power hammer is that after I drift the oval with the smaller drift that I have, I can put this drift in it and it'll sit down a little bit, so then I can push it into the hammer eye under the power hammer because it's only 4 inches of height. Taking measurements from a few other hammers as well just to see what the eyes were like, so they are a very similar size. This one's a little bit bigger, which is a good thing. I just don't have to push it in all the way up to the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the hammer eye drift that I made for the power hammer or hand hammer just to set into the hammer billet. So this is the final result, as you guys can see there. It's about 3 inches long. It goes from my smaller drift up to a full-sized hammer, which is meant for about 4-pound hammers. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. That'll help me out a lot. If you liked the video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and comment what you thought down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.